Hi, welcome to Ohio Recycling General Safety. First up, we're going to start with forklift safety. Ensure that the forks are flat on the ground or else you're going to fall and trip like Brady. What you're supposed to do, park the forklift in neutral, hit the parking brake, forks down, and step off after you shut off the engine. Forklifts move unlike cars. They steer with their back tires, so they can move in a very quick radius. When driving a forklift, be careful for your pinch points. In this case, the barrel got smacked into the wall. When driving forklift, ensure that your loads are close to the ground, or else a load can tip over and fall. It's like that. Also, it also helps with your visibility. If you can't see, you don't know what's in front of you. What you're going to do is you're going to keep the load low to the ground, a couple inches off the ground, and drive safely. Also, never walk underneath your load. Make sure that you walk around the back side of the forklift, that in the event that the hydraulics fail, they do not hit you. Next up, ensure that you have the parking brake on. Do not have the parking brake on and you're on a slope, forklift will roll down the hill. Also, absolutely do not ride on the forklift. When tripping a hopper, ensure that you're far enough away from the box that in the event that it does trip and fall, you are out of the vicinity of the area. Whenever you're hopping on and off forklifts, use 3 points of contact when going on and off. Pedestrian safety. I think this one speaks for itself. Watch out for cars. Skid loader safety. Skid loaders use a grapple system, so there's claws on there. Bucket goes up and down, and you can tilt up and down as well. One of the biggest hazards in skid loader safety is getting caught in between or back into. In this case, the barrel took a beating. A lot of time, that is how people die. Also, caught in between is whenever you get caught in between a wall like that. Do not want to be there. Baler safety. Hydraulic press balers use a ram system, and in that ram system, you do not want to be inside this baler whatsoever. That shear cuts anything plastic, cardboard, metal, anything you can think of. They also use a wire tire system. This wire tire system moves very quickly, and so you do not want to have any arm, leg, finger caught inside of that. Also, when cleaning out balers, ensure that baler is turned off and be mindful of the door opening and closing. Shear safety. When using shears, be mindful of your hand placement. In this demonstration, this glove acts as your hands. As you can see, it can easily chop off your fingers. Best thing to do is keep a safe distance away, grab the foot pedal, take it farther away from the machine, press down, let it cut. Sorting line safety. When you're on the sorting line, you're going to want to have hearing protection and eye protection. Truck safety. Ohio Recycling, we use roll-off truck boxes. With these boxes, whenever you open the door, there's a chance that material can fall out of the door. Be mindful and be careful of where you're positioned when opening the door. Also, when opening the door, you do not want to be caught within the swing radius. When the box is dumping, ensure that the roll-off box door is closed so that it does not swing down and hit anybody. Lastly, this is how you open a roll-off box and close the door. Make sure that the chain is inside of the lock. Walk in front of the truck to ensure that the driver knows where you are. PPE. You're going to want to buy proper clothing so that you're warm in the colder months. You want to have some gloves, actually extra layers. Lastly, you're going to want to have some sort of protective boots, whether they're composite toe or steel toe. Be careful out there and don't do anything dumb.